Welcome to Serenity, Game Systems Foundation. In this video, we're going to focus on one specific system, the audio player, and more precisely, how it handles UI sound effects, the sound that plays when a player opens a menu, confirms an action, or navigates between options. What makes this system worth understanding is not just how it plays sounds, it is how it describes sounds. Serenity follows a declarative approach. Audio behavior is defined through scriptable objects. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional UI audio setup integrated with your theme. The audio player system is designed to keep audio decoupled from any system. Instead of manually using audio sources inside buttons or menus, Serenity uses audio definitions and centralized playback. This means UI elements only describe which sound should play. The first thing we need is some audio assets. Copy them into your desired folder. Then create the audio definitions using the context menu. Create an audio clip definition for submit, another one for navigation, and a last one for changing values. Configure each definition by populating its ID, and assign the proper audio asset. Now let's integrate those sounds into the UI theme. Open your Unity UI theme definition and assign our new assets on the corresponding fields. Once configured, the UI system automatically plays the correct sounds during navigation and interaction. The important thing here is what we did not do. We didn't add audio code to buttons. We didn't manually trigger audio sources. We didn't couple UI logic with audio logic. Everything stays centralized, reusable, and declarative. Enter play mode and open your menu. You should now hear your new assets. At this point, the entire UI audio flow is already working without custom gameplay code. Besides automatic UI sounds, Audio Player can also react to events. For example, achievements, notification, custom UI state, or gameplay feedback. You can dispatch a play audio clip signal, and the Audio Player service will handle the playback automatically. This keeps gameplay signals completely decoupled from Unity audio implementation. Besides automatic UI sounds and event-driven playback, you can also trigger sounds directly through the Audio Player use cases. This is useful when you already have access to the application layer and want more explicit control over when a sound is played. In this case, the gameplay code talks directly to the audio player use case instead of dispatching an event. The important part is that we'll still work with Serenity abstractions and audio definitions, not raw audio sources. In this video, we created reusable audio definitions, connected sounds to the UI theme, enabled automatic UI audio feedback, triggered sounds through events, kept the entire system modular and decoupled. With this, your UI not only looked responsive, it also sounds responsive, and we achieve it while keeping the same Serenity philosophy, declarative configuration, reusable systems, and isolated logic. In the next tutorial, we'll configure the music player system to handle background music, track transitions, looping, and menu music, all while keeping the same declarative Serenity workflow.